Hi, I am unboxing the Ninebot phone holder. It costs $25 in Amazon, so it is a little bit on the pricey side. If you see similar devices offered, you can find some at a lower price, but this phone holder looks of good quality, so I went ahead and bought it. I am thinking of using it for two main purposes: as a navigational tool with Google Maps, and to take quick videos with the phone while I am driving the scooter. Let's open the box. This box looks nice, with the Ninebot colors and logos. The box I received only had one plastic transparent seal on the upper right side of the box, so it is easy to cut with a box cutter. Once the seal is gone, opening the box is easy. Just to flatten the box is preventing from opening the box completely. Once I found out that flap was in the way, just pulling that flap gave way to the box contents. Only the phone holder and a small instructions pamphlet are inside the box. The phone holder is easy to understand without instructions. You have a ring with an adjusting screw to attach to the scooter or bicycle. It takes a while to remove the screw from the attaching ring. Once removed, you can see the round piece of rubber that covers most of the ring. A second screw or knob is to adjust the width of the phone. Now, let's install it on the scooter. I don't have many choices on where to install it on the Ninebot Max, as the space is taken by the throttle, the collapsing clip, and the brake handle. I am installing it on the right side of the brake handle. With the screw removed from the ring, I push the holder to snap into the scooter bar, and then I try to attach the screw. That took me a while, but it is just a matter of squeezing the ring, so the screw finds the thread. I just fastened enough to have the phone holder firmly attached to the bar. Now the last step is to widen the holder enough to have the phone fit into the holder. I place the phone in place and secure it, fastening that adjustable width knob.